This is the KEDIERS C-570 open air computer case. Now this is the computer case that I got when I bought this computer in 2022. I paid $300 for it, and it comes with the 7 RGB fans. 2 on top these fans are actually part of the AIO. I bought another AIO for it to cool my i7 8700. Now, I'm just bringing this up because this is a case that I'm most likely never going to be getting rid of, and there's many reasons for that. The big reason, though, I'm not going to get rid of it is just because of the I guess the shape of it. I mean, I really like the shape. This is I think a case that I actually saw in PC Building Simulator. I think they have this case in the game, and I saw that and I'm like, wow, that would be a cool case. And I think I saw it on YouTube a few times, and like on eBay or Amazon. But so when I was shopping for a computer back in 2022, I was trying to find something that was I was trying to find a computer that was going to be worth it for the value. So I saw a lot of computers that were it had older components, older i5s, i3s. Not that the i7 8700K is better than some of those other ones, but I saw lots of computers that were $400, $500, and they didn't have the as good of a GPU, even though I've only got the GTX 1060 6 gig. But I saw a lot of listings that were like $400, $500, $600 that had a lot worse hardware than mine does. So when I saw this i7 8700K, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM. It did not come with the hard drive or the power supply, but I did get, of course, the motherboard, RAM, CPU. So it came with everything. But yeah, storage and the power supply, and I already had those. So I threw those in there. But this is really cool because you've got just the three. You got 2 USB 4.0s on the front, one 2.0 headphone and speaker jack, headphone jack. This is the button, of course, to change the RGB lighting on the fans. On the back, it's just kind of open, of course, open air case. That means it's not, you get plenty of airflow on this case. The back, my motherboard did not come with an IO shield. Probably can't see that, but no IO shield. That's fine. The tempered glass. Got the four screws on each side, so you can take the glass off. Plenty of space inside for multiple disk drives, multiple hard drives. There's only one space for one NVMe SSD. So I do have a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD M.2 whatever in there. I need to clean up a little bit. I have too many SS or hard drives in here. Too many cables. So I need to clean up. I need to get a different power supply, a modular, or is it not modular? Whichever power supply doesn't come with all the cables, all the ones that are already built in, you can just pick whichever ones you need. I need to update the power supply so it's a little cleaner. But yeah, I really like the look of this case, the design. It's really heavy too. It's got like this handle here on front. But yeah, it's something that I never thought I would own a case that looked quite like this. So when I do update my CPU and motherboard and GPU, I'm going to keep the same case. I'm just going to probably update it. I don't know if I'm going to go with AMD or if I'm going to just go up Intel, but I'll have to get a new motherboard because I think my motherboard only supports up to an i9 9900 maybe. So I'll have to get a different motherboard if I'm going to go with a higher i9 or like the 1400 or whatever. But or I'll go AMD. I'm not sure. Eventually, for now, I'm probably just going to update the GPU to maybe the RX 5700, maybe a maybe a 2080, 2060, something like that. I think would probably be a better pairing for the A700K. But yeah, I'm just going to keep it for, I'm going to keep the case for probably as long as I can. I mean, I don't really see a reason why I should get rid of the case. Anyway, that's going to do it. Just wanted to give a little update on why I'm probably not going to be selling this case. And you can find some of these online on eBay, but if you go to Amazon and Newegg, they're out of stock, which I don't think anybody really is looking for this case. But it's like $130 last I saw. So anyway, thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you soon for the next video. Bye.